that we're making our cosplays. I'm going as Canary, and she's going as Shizuki. I probably assumed this wrong, but she's the one that has like the little monster with the vacuum and HunterxHunter as wear. So I'm very excited. We're going to ATL ANIMEFEST, and excited to see how it's gonna turn out Saturday. So just luck.
I knight you, knight of Swiffer. Clean up the mess on the streets. Protect your king.
Hey!
Already said it. But we're gonna make some HunterxHunter cosplay stuff. I'm gonna be the baddest bee in the city. York New City, that is. I'm gonna be doing Shizuku, and this is my Shizuku. That's her name, yeah.
Yes.
And this is my Blinky. Camille came up with the great idea of like putting tape right here. This is my op right here.
Shut up, bitch!
I was gonna, as soon as I pulled out the hot glue gun, I was gonna be like, she's got a gun!
Boom! You should do it.
But I didn't want to do it because I didn't want to.
Anyone about
The killer is escaping! I'm gonna use up all of my Nen. That to me is the most heartbreaking thing on the planet. And I decided that I'm not gonna believe it. Because a lot of people say, like, because there's a lot of speculation on the internet. Because a lot of people are like, what's weird?
Oh no, just to pop this on.
Yeah.
Thank you.
There's a lot of speculation on the internet because some people are like, well, he could still learn it. Like he could still reopen that. It would just take him, he would have to start from scratch.
You mean like when he
Like after he killed Pitu and woke back up. Because some people are saying that Kilo's sister gave him back his, basically started him at square one again.
Yeah.
But a lot of people are like, no, he made the deal, he made the condition that he could never use it again. And I'm like, but to me, I'm gonna choose to believe that when she gave the power back, that she started him from square one of square one.
Yeah.
To where he could still learn it, it's just gonna take him a really long time.
But
Because that's what I want to choose to believe, because I don't want to believe that Golem is nerfed. Like I don't want to believe that he is just like.
this is why I feel like they need to continue the story. It's been years, and I'm just kind of like, I don't know if they ever will.
His homeboy's not doing so hot.
Aww. The same thing with the creator of Nana. She's been like, last time I heard, she's been in and out of the hospital too. But it's been for years as well. Like it stopped in the 90s or early 2000s. So I'm just like, hey girl,
What's up?
get back in there. That'd be nice.
Pushes me to do better.
Yes.
This is the back. This is the front of the mouth. They're gonna go like this. Oh, there's paint on that. They're gonna go like that. With this as the walls.
Period.
This is the best intro. I get so hyped for this song.
Everyone keeps telling me how my story is supposed to go. Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing.
Okay, good morning everybody. So morning motivation I just had to put on, but let's go ahead and get ready for ATL ANIMEFEST. Majority of the cosplay is finished. I just have to do what I got to do for my hair, And I might put on a little bit of makeup. Even though it's October, it is still really, really hot. So, yeah. But let's get ready.
Oh, we need to show a prop.
Yes, we do.
My lady.
Wow. Look who it is.
Look! It's Blinky, look!
And the eyes! Looks amazing.
What do we got?
Miss Canary.
Not your toes out. Look!
Oh, that's right. I should put on the shoes.
Yeah, let's complete the look now. Love, yes!
Seriously, you cannot
Wait,
cross
let's
the
look
line.
Ooh, cannot cross the line. Yeah. Crossing what line? We're not crossing what line? Right. Right.
Yeah.
You calibrate every gun you got there, Hanson.
Yes. No. Yes. Okay. Okay. Period. That looks delicious.
How does one get up? Yes! It's not even on it yet. Yeah. Yeah. You can't.
Makes no sense.
It's amazing. How does one get on that?
Oh my god.
So how do you feel? How was it?
It hurts. Okay, friends, I kind of want to get better at shooting with the back camera, but the more that I do these type of vlogs, the better I'll get. Anyways, that was the end of the ATL ANIMEFEST, and it's been a night. It's been a very, very, very long day. My feet are burning, excruciatingly painful. So next time when I go next year, I'm gonna put this in my head. Future Camille, get some comfortable ass shoes or like insoles, cause girl, my feet are on fire and we don't want that again. My voice is kind of out, but now I think it's coming right back in, so tea, perfect. And I had a great night. I'm very happy and very, very excited. Very happy that I got to go to like the first ATL ANIMEFEST. So I'm excited to see what more they'll bring in the future and how much it can grow through the years. Because I do feel like this is going to be pretty big and very important. And it'll be nice to be like, yeah, I was the first people that went. Clock it, you know? Anyways, it is almost 2 o'clock in the morning and I have work tomorrow. So it's time to go to bed. So I had so much fun again. Hi to everyone that I met. Hope you guys had a great time as well. And we're going to sleep. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.